In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to manipulate the members of a dimension and also how to import the members of a dimension from an external file. So let's first of all look at how to manipulate the members of a dimension. So I've selected the months dimension item, click the edit members button. As we can see, we have 12 months in here which roll up to the total item. Now I want to insert a Q1 item which is going to be the summary of January, February and March. So if I click on New, enter a code for it, enter an item, enter a description, it appears at the bottom of the list. I can select it and I can move it up to the required position. Then I can select January and indent it, February and indent it, March and indent, and there we go. The first 3 months are now children of the Q1 item. So I could repeat that for each of the months in the year, so we could roll up into quarters or indeed half years or whatever else we wanted to do. Now let's look at how to import items from an external file. So let's look at the chart of accounts items. By default, apart from in the months and the budget versions dimension, it just loads a single item into the database called default. So let's import a new set of data. So I can choose either an Excel file or a query. In this case I'm going to use an Excel file, and over here I cannot choose whether to append to existing data, replace all existing data, or replace everything apart from custom items. So let's click the browse, let's navigate to where we want to go. And the file's called COA. So there we go. Click the OK button, and it's loading the file into the database, and there we go. It has loaded the dimension members from the file into the database. There is a template for the file layout which is required, distributed with the application.